Hello guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to create a USA TikTok account anywhere you are in the world. Your location does not matter when creating this account. All you need to do is to follow this video step by step and you are going to understand everything on this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Before creating a USA TikTok account, there are things you need to know. Firstly, you need an IP address to change your phone location from your country to a USA, which will be using a VPN. You can use any VPN of your choice, just like I'm using a Nord VPN. Secondly, you need to create a new Gmail account. Please do not use an old Gmail account. You need a new Gmail account for our verification. You need to remove your SIM card from your phone. This is very important, and connect your phone to a Wi-Fi. So make sure you follow this process before you start to create your account. So let's go on how to create our account. First of all, log out all your TikTok account on your device. Make sure you log out all your TikTok accounts. After logging out, you delete the TikTok app. Open the settings and switch to English as language, and set the region to the United States as follows. Go to General, scroll down and select Language and Region. Set the preferred language to English. Choose the United States for the region. Then open the Nord VPN and connect to a USA server. Then you close the app, you open your Google Chrome. You go and search for ipfighter.com. Check your connection if your phone is connected properly. As you can see, our IP address is connected to the USA. That is to say our VPN is working correctly. Go to the App Store and download a new TikTok. After downloading, open the app and sign it for a new account using your email as usual. You sign in your new email. Then you write your date of birth, fill all your information. Instead of phone number, you use your new email for this process. Do not use phone number. Use your new email for verification. Create a password. Add your name, a nickname that you want to use for your TikTok account. Our USA account has been created, and that is all. See, to confirm that your account is a USA account, you open the dashboard, Creators Tools, then click if the currency display is in dollars or if the top video show as from the United States. Please, anytime you want to post your video to your USA TikTok account, always remember to use your VPN. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.